guys, welcome back to Style with Substance. You're gonna have to forgive the video quality if this doesn't look too clear, but this is a very impromptu designer outlet shopping haul. I picked up some things from Bicester Village in Oxford and I thought I would share it with you guys. I am currently on a little staycation by myself, by my damn self. I took myself away for the weekend and I thought I would show you guys some of the things I picked up. I am also vlogging this trip, so you guys will probably see this video after you see the vlog of the weekend. So I'm staying at the McDonald Randolph Hotel in Oxford. I believe this hotel has a spa as well. I don't know if I'll be using the facilities, but anyway, rambling too much, I'm just going to talk you through some of the bits that I picked up. So I went to Bicester Village, which is a designer outlet shopping place in Oxford, which is just outside of London, and basically they have like loads of your kind of classic designer stores, but it's the outlet stores, so you kind of get like discounts on some of the stuff that they normally do. So everything from Gucci, Prada, Ralph Lauren, Versace, Giuseppe Zanotti, Ted Baker, Mulberry, All Saints, Burberry, Calvin Klein, like loads. I can't name them all off the top of my head. I've never been before, so I thought it's time. So I also haven't done a designer haul with you guys in a long time, so here it is. I picked up some really nice things. I'm gonna call this like an early birthday present to myself, from myself, because there's some big ticket items in here. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what I picked up. So I'll start with the small stuff first. I went into, you probably can't see this, Calvin Klein, and I picked up some classic Calvins. This will be handy. Okay, so I picked up, first of all, a pair of leggings, because I actually didn't come with decent pyjamas, so I'm going to wear these tonight. Oh, no. Oh, wrong size. But I got these in a large. These are too big. Okay, I have to take these back tomorrow, but I got those in a large. I knew I should have got the pants. And then I picked up just a classic crop top. Looks like that. So I'm going to take the leggings back because they clearly, I mean, if these fit, they might, you know. I'll try them on. The bralette was £17 and the leggings were £25. So I think I'm just going to go back for the pants. I went into All Saints. Never bought anything from All Saints before, would you believe? But they, like, items were reduced and then they had an extra 30% off in store. So I got this piece of knitwear. It was originally £128, so it just looks like this. Really nice, cozy, chunky knit. Originally £128, but I basically got it for half price because the outlet price is 86, and then I got 30% off that, which made it 60 quid. So very happy with that. Then went into Millen and picked up one birthday treat and another thing. So I'll show you this first. Now I got this very last minute. I was at the till and then I was like, the item that I actually went in for was discounted, so I was like, okay, I'll pick this up. Now somebody on one of my videos said that Millen do a really nice white shirt, so I was like, right, that's what I'm going to go in there for. So I picked up this just casual v-neck white tee with these lovely bow ties on the sleeves. Got this in a size 6, and it just looks like that, and it kind of has a little opening at the back, but also these like buttons, which you probably won't be able to see. There you go. And then a little slit at the back. This is nice. It's like a long line tee, and I just love that it's v-neck as well. So that is lovely. That was £70, but I can feel the thickness of it is quite good, so I'm hoping the quality is there. And then I picked up this, which is a potential birthday dress, or just I wanted to wear a red dress. So this dress was originally £180. The outlet price was £90, and then when I got to the till, she said it had been reduced to £50. So it's this gorgeous red, kind of very fitted dress. It's got a nice scoop back there, and then a very high neckline there. Love the little buttons on the back, which are really cool, and it just fits really nicely. I did some try-ons in the dressing room, so I will show you. I will pop pictures in there, but you should probably watch the vlog because that will give you a better idea of what they look like. Moving, went into Burberry, actually looking for a scarf, but I left for something better. So first Burberry item ever, and I decided to go for a classic Burberry poncho. So it looks like this, and it was original price $9.95, then reduced to $6.99, and I got it for $3.99. So it just looks like this. Tell me that this doesn't scream luxury. I mean, yes. So it's got the classic Burberry colours, got the brown, the red, the black, and I just love it. It's great for winter. I know it's supposed to be getting warmer, but you know this country. And this is going to go really nicely with the final item. Figure out how to fold it. And the girl in Burberry that served me was lovely. I went in looking for scarves, and I was, you know, she was like helping me try them on and like holding my bags. I felt really bad. I was like, no, don't, don't do that. But you know, got very much used to this epic level of customer service after a bit. So that's everything bar the last item, which is my birthday present. So as you guys know, I'm turning 30 this year. So I said, girl, you need a very nice handbag. And this is one of the first stores I went into, Mulberry, not thinking I would find anything. And then I walked over to one of the displays that they had, and they had the classic Bayswater but with the wings. The lady said that the creative designer is from Celine, and I was like, yeah, this looks a lot like the Celine Phantom bags and the belt bags. And so I was like, I saw an oxblood one in this style, and I was like, oh, that is a bit of me. But then I saw this one, and I thought it just went really nicely with my outfit. So I was like, oh. So I'm not 100%, but I need to. So let me look at it. So they wrapped it up real nice. It comes in a beige dust bag. Oh, yes. So, just looks like this. What do you guys think? Did I get it in the right colour? I'm thinking yes. So it is I'll get the style name and everything for you. So it's the Mulberry Bayswater with the croc print in the colour coriander, and it was $8.95. I don't know how much these normally retail for. I think I did say it on here. I don't know, but let me take all these bits off. This niche. Okay. Right, so it just looks like that, like that. It's got the clasp opening at the front, and then oh, look at that gorgeous oxblood suede on the inside. I'm going to take out. Oh, it also comes with a little strap, which I'm going to take out. Lots of padding. Lots of padding. I'm just thinking though, on a casual day-to-day basis, could I get away with this? So you can rock it like that if you want. I wouldn't. Or you could just have it like that. So do some mod shots. I don't know. Do you know what? Let me rock it on, pop it on with this. I'm thinking the oxblood might have been a better shout, but it's hard to say. This because the oxblood goes with everything black, so it's quite nice like that. But I do need a grown-up bag. Okay. Are we feeling this? Alright, this is what it looks like on. Oh, I don't know. I think I should have gone for the oxblood. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, so that is it on. Yeah, I feel like the oxblood would go a lot better with other stuff that I have. So I might actually go back and swap that now. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. I think I've decided that this isn't the colour for me. Yeah, this isn't me, no. What was I thinking? Yeah, I'm going to go back for the oxblood, but I thought I'd just show you that. And then if you want to see me do that, then check out the vlog, which will be up before this, I think. That is everything that I got. I hope you guys have enjoyed the haul. Make sure you are subscribed and turn on notifications so you get a little icon pop up every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in my next video, which I don't know when it's coming out. But yeah, bye.